Think you know all there is to know about castor oil? Think again! If you're anything like me, you're probably figuring out why castor oil feels like it's the gift that keeps on giving. From its remarkable external uses to its hidden internal benefits, this video will challenge what you thought you knew about this versatile oil. Ready to put your knowledge to the test and recognize the wisdom passed down by our elders? Well, get ready to be amazed, starting with our very first castor oil secret. Ever wondered how to keep those gray hairs at bay? Well, let me clue you in on a little secret. Castor oil might just be the answer. Yep, you heard that right. This magical oil has got some serious mojo when it comes to preventing premature graying of hair. You see, castor oil is packed with nutrients like vitamin E, omega-6 fatty acids, and antioxidants that help nourish your hair follicles from deep within. By keeping your scalp healthy and clean, it can help block impurities that contribute to graying hair, therefore keeping those pesky grays from popping up too soon. So next time you're thinking about reaching for that hair dye, maybe give castor oil a shot first. But hey, no need to stress if you're already into hair dyes. Castor oil has your back there too. It's like a trusty sidekick for your dyed locks, helping them hold on to their vibrant hues. Whether you rock your natural hair color or enjoy spicing things up with a vibrant dye job, rest assured castor oil has got your back either way. All right, you may have known about the use of castor oil for graying hair, but did you know about this? Castor oil is gaining major traction as a go-to solution for enhancing those gorgeous eyebrows and lashes. If you've been dreaming of achieving fuller, thicker brows, then castor oil might just be your new best friend. So how exactly does castor oil work its magic on your eyebrows and lashes? Well, it's all about the nutrients packed inside this powerhouse oil. Minerals that nourish the hair follicles, stimulating growth and promoting thickness. Regular application of castor oil can help strengthen your eyebrows and lashes. But here's where it gets even better. Some castor oil kits come complete with a handy eyebrow brush designed specifically for easy application. This means you can effortlessly apply the oil directly to your eyebrows and lashes, ensuring every hair gets the nourishment it needs for optimal growth and density. The resurgence in popularity of castor oil as a beauty staple, particularly for eyebrows and lashes, speaks volumes about its effectiveness. More and more beauty enthusiasts are turning to natural remedies like castor oil as a gentler, safer alternative to chemical-laden products. Plus, there's something undeniably satisfying about incorporating a time-tested remedy into your beauty routine, especially when it yields such impressive results. Castor oil isn't just a superstar in the realm of beauty, it also holds promise for addressing various eye conditions. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, castor oil can be used to soothe irritated eyes, reduce redness, and alleviate symptoms of dry eye syndrome. You can even find castor oil eye drops and compresses readily available at retailers or online. Additionally, some studies suggest that applying castor oil around the eyes may help reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness, leaving you looking refreshed and rejuvenated. It's important to note that despite claims suggesting that castor oil may assist with cataracts, there is currently no scientific proof to support this notion. It's essential to exercise caution and consult with a healthcare professional before using castor oil near the eyes, especially if you have sensitive skin or pre-existing eye conditions. With its versatile applications and potential benefits, castor oil continues to prove itself as a valuable asset. Let's dive into a topic tailored for the ladies out there: vaginal dryness. As women age and experience hormonal fluctuations, this common issue can become increasingly prevalent. Luckily, castor oil steps in as a natural remedy to support healing and alleviate discomfort associated with vaginal dryness. Castor oil's emollient properties help moisturize and lubricate the vaginal tissues, promoting hydration and elasticity. Additionally, it can soothe irritation and reduce inflammation, providing relief from symptoms. Make sure to choose a high-quality, cold-pressed oil that is hexane-free and ideally organic. This ensures the utmost quality and safety for application in that sensitive area. If you were already aware of the previously mentioned secret uses of castor oil, kudos to you. Now let's shift gears a bit. Did you know that castor oil has some surprising benefits for oral health? This versatile oil isn't just for your hair and skin. It can also work wonders for teeth and gums. First off, let's talk about oil pulling. This ancient practice involves swishing oil around in your mouth for a few minutes to help remove harmful bacteria, plaque, and toxins. And guess what? Castor oil is an excellent choice for oil pulling. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties make it a powerful ally in combating oral bacteria and promoting a healthier environment in your mouth. Plus, it can help freshen your breath and leave your mouth feeling squeaky clean. But that's not all. Castor oil can also be used to soothe sore gums and alleviate discomfort associated with oral issues like gingivitis and periodontal disease. Simply apply a small amount of castor oil directly to the affected area or mix it with a carrier oil like coconut oil for added benefits. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce swelling and redness, while its moisturizing effects can help hydrate and nourish your gums. And here's a fun fact. Some people even use castor oil as a natural remedy for toothaches. By applying a drop or two of castor oil directly to the affected tooth or gums, you may experience relief from pain and discomfort. Just remember to consult with your dentist if you're experiencing severe or persistent tooth pain. Now, let's talk about another incredible benefit of castor oil: its ability to help fade different types of scars. Whether you're dealing with acne scars, surgical scars, or keloids, castor oil might just be the solution you've been searching for. One of the key reasons castor oil is effective for scars is its rich content of ricinoleic acid. This unique fatty acid boasts anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce swelling and redness associated with scars, while also promoting tissue repair and regeneration. When it comes to acne scars, castor oil's antimicrobial properties can help prevent infection and breakouts, while its moisturizing effects can help soften and smooth the skin's surface. By applying a small amount of castor oil to the affected areas and gently massaging it in, you can help improve the appearance of acne scars over time. For surgical scars and keloids, regular application of castor oil can help improve skin elasticity and promote collagen production, leading to smoother, more supple skin. Simply massage a few drops of castor oil into the scarred areas daily, being sure to be consistent for best results. It's important to note that while castor oil can be effective for many types of scars, results may vary from person to person. Additionally, it's always a good idea to do a patch test before applying castor oil to a larger area of skin, especially if you have sensitive skin or are prone to allergies. The dreaded dry, cracked heels. A common annoyance that many of us have experienced at some point. Thanks to its ultra-hydrating properties, castor oil can work wonders for softening and moisturizing those rough, cracked heels. Simply massage a generous amount of castor oil into your heels before bedtime. Then slip on a pair of cozy socks to lock in the moisture overnight. The next morning, you'll wake up to smoother, more supple heels that are ready to strut their stuff. With regular use, you can say goodbye to dry, cracked heels and hello to baby soft feet all year round. Do you now understand why I call castor oil the gift that never stops giving? Since you've stuck around this far, let me introduce yet another potential benefit of castor oil: its use in treating arthritis. When it comes to arthritis, the pain and discomfort can be debilitating, but castor oil might just offer some relief. This natural remedy has been gaining attention for its potential to alleviate arthritis symptoms. This is because of the ricinoleic acid found in castor oil, which has properties known to alleviate inflammation and swelling, typical symptoms associated with arthritis. By applying castor oil topically to the affected joints and gently massaging it in, you may experience a soothing sensation and a reduction in pain. Additionally, castor oil's moisturizing properties can help hydrate the skin and improve circulation to the affected areas, which may further contribute to pain relief and improved mobility. While castor oil shows promise as a natural remedy for arthritis, it's important to remember that results may vary from person to person. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider before incorporating any new treatment into your arthritis management plan, especially if you're currently taking medication or have underlying health conditions. Whether applied topically or ingested as a supplement, castor oil may offer a holistic approach to managing arthritis pain. If you're curious about other castor oil benefits and anti-aging oils, check out these videos next. If you got value out of this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. I'll see you in the next video.